Which BNS section is related to causing death by medical negligence? Previously, it was under 304A of Indian Penal Code. But this is also very, very important. So I would like to teach you. Okay, tell me what you have answered. Meantime, I will continue. Okay. Now, look here. There are two sections related to Rash and Negligent Act. Rash and Negligent Act. Number one, Rash and Negligent Act endangering the life of a person. That is section 125 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Okay. 125A of BNS deals with Rash and Negligent Act resulting in hurt, causing hurt to a patient. And if at all the doctor causes grievous hurt by his Rash and Negligent Act, he is punishable under section 125B of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. And if at all death takes place, then the doctor is punishable under 106 of BNS, maximum 2 years of imprisonment. That is only for doctors. If at all a car driver hits on pedestrian by Rash and Negligent Act and if he dies, then up to 5 years of imprisonment. For doctors, it is 2 years, just like previous 304A of Indian Penal Code. Okay. Now, which BNS section is related to causing death by medical negligence? Many of you answered as C, and some people has written as A also. I don't know, but you know the answer now. It is 106 of BNS. Meantime, you should know section 116. 116 defines what are the injuries come under grievous hurt. Grievous hurt. At the same time, you know, before 302, before it was 320 for grievous hurt, 302 IPC for murder. Now it is 103 punishment for murder. And 304B of IPC, which dealt with dowry, that now it has come under section 80 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Again, as I said, along with 227 and 229, you should remember, I told you, 194 and 196 of BNSS, and here also, along with 106, you have to remember 116, 103, and 80. Okay.